everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having an amazing day and thank you so much for being here. So by now you already know how obsessed I am with makeup, and of course I buy a lot of expensive makeup products as well just to try them out. Because I buy so much makeup, a lot of makeup products I don't really use that often. So in today's video I want to use all the makeup products that are really up in the price range. For me, of course, there are makeup products that are much more expensive than what I have, but these are just the makeup products that I myself purchased. Nobody sent it to me, no one's paying me to try these products out. These are all bought by my own money. So I'm going to create a makeup look today which I am calling my most expensive makeup look. And these also include a few makeup products that I have used in my previous videos, so just a note about that. So if you want to know what products I use to create my most expensive makeup look, please keep watching. Also, please forgive me about this nail. I broke my nail, so I haven't gone back and redone it because I'm lazy. So yeah, just pretend that it's all like pretty nails right here. So the first thing that I'm going to do is moisturize my face. So I'm going to use this Purity moisturizer. I got this as a sample. A lot of these makeup products are actually samples or deluxe size products because I know I'm not going to use makeup products that often, and most of the times I don't even finish using them and they go bad. So in order to like do justice to my makeup products, I buy smaller sizes of those. This feels really good. It's really like fresh and cooling, and you know how much I love like these fresh cooling products. So the next thing that I'm going to use is the Peter Thomas Roth Skin to Die For primer. I don't use primers that often because my skin isn't that oily, so my makeup doesn't really move unless I am going for like a big event or a wedding or something like that where I want my makeup to look like perfect. I really like the consistency of this, but if you've used Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, which I love by the way, this feels more like moisturizer-ish. So the next thing that I'm going to work on are my eyes, and today I'm going for like a shimmery kind of eye. I have these STILA Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadow, and they come in like gorgeous shades. I have the shade called Kitten Karma, which is more like a pinky golden shade, and then I have Smoldering Satin, which is a little more on the like purpley lilac-y shade. I also have a third one which is probably rose gold, but I have that in my travel bags. I think today I'm going to use like the more lilac-y color, and I'm not applying any eyeshadow primer because this is a liquid eyeshadow, and this will just like cling on to my skin and stick as is. This is the eyeshadow that I'm talking about. It comes with a doe foot applicator. This is especially great if you are traveling. You don't want to carry a bunch of brushes and eyeshadow palettes and things like that. This is so fast and quick. It really dries down very quickly, so you don't have to spend like hours and hours or minutes to set your glitter shadows on your eyes. I'm just going to start with a small amount here, and I'm mostly going for like the inner 2/3 of my eye, because on the outer third I'm just gonna use like an eyeshadow to like bring depth and dimension. So I know this looks crazy right now, but just wait, let this dry and then you'll see what I'm actually talking about. So I'm just gonna use like a darker eyeshadow from this palette to just like bring depth and dimension. So what I did is, after applying the liquid glitter shadow, I applied some black eyeshadow in my crease, and then I used like a makeup wipe to just wipe off everything above my crease, so it just gives like the subtle most like outline to my glitter shadow, so it looks more defined, Then I'm taking this shade called Moon Dust, which is a highlight, but it's like a champagne-y highlight with some like shimmer in it. So I'm just going to use this and apply it in my inner corner. Next, I'm going to work on my brows. I'm going to use my Anastasia Brow Wiz in the shade Ebony. I use this only on like special occasions or if I'm going out like on a vacation or something, because this is expensive and I don't want to use this every day. So I love using my Maybelline Brow and Define. It's much cheaper and it works the same. So why spend more money when you can get the same effect in a cheaper product, right? Next, I'm going to use my Better Than Sex mascara by Too Faced. This is really comparable to L'Oreal Voluminous that I love. They both have a similar kind of brush. They work the same way on my lashes. And like I said earlier, I like to use like deluxe sample size products because then it makes it easy to carry them if I'm traveling. I don't have to buy like a different smaller size product which I'm only going to use for like 5 days. Next, for my face, I'm going to use my trusty old combination of my Kat Von D's Lock-It Foundation and my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. You've seen me use these products like numerous times, so I'm not going to make you sit and watch me apply these products for the millionth time. So I'm going to apply these products and be right back. Now to set my under eyes, I'm going to use my Laura Mercier's Translucent Loose Powder. If you saw my influencer unboxing video, you know how impressed I was with this powder. So today I'm going to skip like chiseling out my cheekbones and defining my forehead and sides of my face and all that. I would have used my Fenty Beauty matte stick in the shade Truffle. You guys know I use this in so many videos, so I just don't feel like applying this on like the already heavy makeup going on my face. So instead I'm just going to use like the subtle powdered products for contouring and blush and of course highlight. So today I'm going to use my NARS blush and bronzer duo. The blush is called Orgasm and the bronzer is NARS Laguna bronzer, which is so popular. So just to keep something in mind, I'm not really like trying to create like chisel cheekbones or something. I'm just trying to bring in some color on like my palish face right now. Next for blush, I'm using the Orgasm blush from the same NARS duo. This is just like a pinky rose blush with some like gold flecks mixed with it. So it looks really fresh and glowy on your skin. Now finally for highlight, I have a really exciting and new product that I personally have never used before. I'm going to try the BECCA Opal Highlight. I've never used any BECCA products ever before in my life, so I was really excited to try this on. So this is what the highlight looks like. I'm just gonna like swatch this for you, and it's so beautiful. It has this like greenish golden sheen to it, which is really pretty. I've never tried anything like this ever in my life. I'm just going to use a little bit of this product because I don't want to overdo my highlight. I really like how the sheen is like goldenish, greenish. Never tried anything like that before. And I'm using a really small amount because I don't want my highlight to really pop and glow in your face. I just want like the slightest healthy glow, because that's how I like to wear my highlighters, to be honest. I don't like my highlighters to really like be like the sun in someone's face. And I was trying to look for dupes for each of the products that I mentioned before, because I know these are expensive and not everyone has to spend so much money on makeup. But sadly, I couldn't find any alternative or any dupe for the BECCA Opal Flashes Jade highlight. I went ahead and I bought an e.l.f. highlighter, which kind of in the packaging looked similar, but it was terrible. Like, it was so dry, I couldn't even swatch it well. I've really read and searched and Googled basically for dupes of BECCA's Opal highlight, because this has been out for a very long time and I was hoping someone would be able to help me out, but I have not been able to find a dupe for this, guys. I'm so sorry. Initially, I was really skeptical to use this highlight because I already have so much shimmer and glitter going on my eyes that I thought this would be like overdoing the shimmery glowing thing. But I feel this highlighter is really subtle. It gives you the glow, but if you use it in moderation, it doesn't look like too much on your face. You know what I mean? Next, I'm going to line my lower waterline with this Marc Jacobs Gel Liner Pencil. And finally, for my lower lash line, I'm going to use LANCOME's Hypnose Drama Mascara. I've never used this before. Again, it's in like a deluxe sample size. Perfect for travel. The brush on this is a little weird. Like, do you see? It's like this weirdly spirally kind of brush. Don't think it's helping the cause any better. And lastly, for lipstick, I'm going to use my Makeup Forever's Matte Rouge lipstick in the shade M500. Yes, this is like a small sample sized lipstick. I got this as a product in my Sephora's Play box for February, I think. And now to set all this goodness on my face, I'm going to use MAC's Prep and Prime. So this is the final look, guys. I hope you all enjoyed watching me create my most expensive makeup look. And I hope you realize that this look, this exact look, can be created by any of the regular drugstore products that you can get for much cheaper. Maybe minus that beautiful highlight. You don't need to spend tons and tons of money for makeup. So I hope you enjoyed spending time with me, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a nice big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more videos, and if you have any suggestions or comments, leave them down in the comment section below. And until next time, take good care of yourselves, and I shall see you in my next one. Bye!